Namaskar. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of samskara. Today morning when I went for the morning walk, some women asked me the questions. One lady asked, Doctor, Corona has come back. Is it true? I said, yes, it has come back. And already the cases in Singapore, China were detected. And now even in Kerala, Delhi, Bangalore also we have seen them. And we recently had one death in Bangalore due to Corona. The second lady asked, Oh, doctor, we had taken already 3 doses. Should we take the vaccine again? I said, yes. The vaccine that we took 2 years back, now the immunity has come down and it is not adequate. So we have to take the fourth booster dose and that will be good for us to prevent the corona. Then the third lady asked, Oh, doctor, they said that the corona vaccine is not good. Those who have taken vaccine, they have got the disease. At the same time, the fourth lady said, Oh, no, that's all rubbish. I have taken all the 3 doses. Nothing has happened to me. But my friend never took any vaccine. And today she has got so many diseases. Of course, both are not right. One is right, other one is wrong. How? The vaccine that we have in India are two. One is Covaxin, and that is produced with the collaboration of the ICMR, that is the Indian research work, and that has got only the parts of the coronavirus, and only the antigen is taken. And this antigen doesn't have the ability to replicate and multiply and cause the disease at all. So when you take the parts of it and inject, nothing is going to happen. It is like, our Indian Air Force, they sent the dummy plane to Pakistan and they got panicky when they saw the plane and then they started preparing themselves to fight. And then our soldiers came to know what are the precautionary things that they are taking. In the same way, whatever this particles or the antigen that we are injecting is like a dummy plane. And that dummy jet is not going to cause anything but cause the antibody reaction. And that's how we know in our soldiers fighting against the corona will be produced in our body. The other one is the Covishield. The Covishield has got the attenuated virus or only the spikes taken from the virus. But that spike is carried by a vector and that is the chimpanzee, the adenovirus from the chimpanzee. The adenovirus is the common cold virus. Nobody has died of common cold at all. And that too attenuated when the strength is taken and it is weakened and it has got no effect to cause even the common cold. So when you have a adenovirus, that is a common cold virus, which is attenuated with no energy or ability, and along with that, that carries the spike. That is the on the coronavirus, the spikes that are there, that protein is taken to produce the antigen. So nothing is going to happen. So both the vaccines in India are absolutely safe. Now coming to the fourth question of the fourth lady. The lady who has not taken vaccine has got all the diseases, her friend. Yes, as the age advances, anybody can get any disease. But now we are talking about the corona. If they have got already diabetes or hypertension or the people are smoking, taking alcohol, they are more prone for the corona infection. And that is the reason we have to be more careful. So remember, vaccine is not hazardous to the health. In fact, vaccine protects us. The World Health Organization has told and they have appreciated that the Indian vaccines has prevented 45 lakhs deaths in India. So that means it is good for prevention of the infection as well as the death. So having the sound scientific knowledge is very important. Don't have the fear for vaccine. Go ahead and take the fourth dose of vaccine because it is said that by June, the fourth wave is going to become more prominent. So before that, we have to take the vaccine so that we give a 3 weeks time for the antibodies in our body to grow and that is how the immunity to increase. So like how for Sindhura they took 2 weeks, and this vaccine requires 3 weeks. And that's how let us prepare our body to fight against the vaccine, fight against the coronavirus, and let us all be very healthy. Wish you all a very healthy day. Thank you so much. Have a great day.